11 Essential Life Hacks for Emergency Survival. Here are 11 life hacks that can help you survive in an emergency situation. First things first, if you have something in your eye, like a piece of glass, don't try to remove it yourself. Have someone drive you to the hospital. If it's just an eyelash, wash your hands before doing anything. Try to locate the eyelash by looking in a mirror and blink to make your tears wash it out. Once the object is in the corner of your eye, take a wet piece of cloth and use it to remove the eyelash. Number 1. Rescuing a drowning person. Approach a drowning person from behind to avoid being hindered or pulled down. Grab them under the armpits or by the chin and move them to the shore while keeping their head at your belly. Number 2. Applying ice directly to a bruise. Don't apply ice directly to the skin, as it can lead to cold burns. Instead, place a cloth between your skin and the ice pack. Apply ice for a maximum of 20 minutes at a time with 90-minute breaks. Number 3. Using stitches to close cuts. Consider using skin glue for smaller wounds, as it is quicker and virtually painless. Be cautious with larger wounds and seek professional medical help. Number 4. Applying ointment to a wound. Ointments contain moisture, which is a great environment for bacteria to reproduce. The best thing to do is clean the wound with cool water and soap and put a dry bandage on it. This will help the wound heal more quickly. Number 5. Pulling out objects from wounds. Avoid pulling out objects from serious wounds. They should be removed by medical professionals. Attempting to remove such objects can cause further harm. Number 6. Lifting up an unconscious person. If someone faints, lifting them up and sprinkling cold water on them is not the right approach. Lifting a fainting person can worsen muscle spasms. Instead, lift their legs up, unbutton any tight clothing, and don't let them stand up right after they regain consciousness. Avoid giving them coffee or energy drinks, as caffeine can lead to dehydration. Number 7. Treating burns with butter or sour cream. While these may provide temporary relief, they can dry out the skin and disrupt thermal exchange, causing more harm. The best immediate action for burns is to hold the affected area in cool water for 15 minutes. Blisters that form after a burn protect the wound from infection, so do not remove them. Number 8. Setting a bone on your own. Unless you are a professional trauma surgeon, never attempt to set a dislocated joint on your own. Immobilize the injured limb and seek medical attention as soon as possible. Number 9. Applying warmth to a sprain. Applying warmth to a muscle sprain will increase blood flow and swelling. Instead, use cold to reduce inflammation. Also, avoid using the sprained limb for at least the first 48 hours. Number 10. Making yourself vomit in case of poisoning. Inducing vomiting can lead to complications, such as poison entering the lungs or worsening throat irritation. Call an ambulance immediately in cases of poisoning. Number 11. Rubbing a person with a fever with alcohol or vinegar. Rubbing a person with alcohol or vinegar can lead to intoxication or increased acidity, especially in children. Instead, have the person drink plenty of water, tea, and other non-alcoholic fluids. Keep the room cool at a temperature of 61 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, to help reduce fever naturally. Please like this video if you found it useful and share your first aid stories in the comments section below. Share this information.